film and the cause, they come together very well, because we are trying to go out there and give a message, and even Peter is trying to get a change, so it just comes together very well. That's what when we got the opportunity, we jumped on it, and I'm in fact very proud to be a part of this Peter ad, and I want to keep supporting Peter and whatever cause they come up with, because I think they're doing a very good job.
F in Fugly stands for fight, and so fur is ugly, so it goes with it. So that's what we thought, and especially when they came to us to do this and to be a part of this, they showed us the video that you all have just seen. And that itself, the minute we saw that, I thought we just wanted to be a part of this campaign. It just fit perfectly well. And we're young, we're the new generation. Fashion is something that's, a part of us. And speaking of that, I think this was the perfect cause to support.
जैसे अभी हम fur is ugly बोल रहे हैं, which is fugly, तो ये हमारे लिए तो perfect fit है. Plus, the moment you have a platform and you're talking on a platform, आपकी reach बहुत बढ़ जाती है. आज हम 4 अगर बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, media is listening to us. This will get telecasted. It's like reaching out. The whole aim is that जो हम चाहते हैं, अगर मीडिया के थ्रू हम कहीं लेके जा पाएं, whatever little we can do, we more than game for that forever. कभी भी कुछ भी हो.
मैं तो बचपन से सलमान खान सर और अक्षय सर को देखते हुए आ रहा हूँ, एंड मैं 90s में पढ़ा हूँ और वो 90s के सुपरस्टार थे और आज भी सुपरस्टार हैं. सो इट वाज अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू टू बी वर्किंग विद देम ऑन द सॉन्ग. एंड मुझे याद है मैं जब जिम जाता था तो कुछ 8-9 क्लास में, तो ओ जाने जाना सलमान का गाना लगा के जाता था, कोई यूज्ड टू चार्ज मी अप, और फिर उसके बाद जिम में जाकर मैं वेट्स उठाता था. तो it's definitely had effect on me in more than one way, and I think somewhere even as actors, as these big actors, their personality is somewhere influenced me. I've actually worked on a film as an assistant director where Mr. Akshay Kumar was the actor, so I have seen him very closely, and how punctual he is, how hardworking he is. So all these qualities as an assistant, I think I have somewhere grasped from him, and I'm lucky to be working in his production also.
फर्स्टली आई थिंक पहली फिल्म में उनके साथ स्क्रीन पे शेयर करना बहुत बड़ी बात है. मैंने तो आई डिडंट इवन ड्रीम ऑफ इट, आई डिडंट इवन थिंक ऑफ इट. आई रिमेंबर एक हफ्ते पहले बिफोर वी शॉट फॉर द सॉन्ग, अश्विनी टोल्ड अस दैट वी आर गोना बी डूइंग दिस विद देम. और अक्षय सर वो सेट पे आए, वी ऑल नो हाउ पंक्चुअल ही इज. वो सेट पे आए, 5 मिनट में उन्होंने वो सारे रैप के लिरिक्स लर्न कर दिए. ही डिडंट इवन नीड अ प्लैक कार्ड. He was on first take. He finished the whole thing. He had us laughing behind the camera. He's very spontaneous. He would add his own comic timing to it. And of course, Salman sir, he काम जो ऐसे भी करते हैं तो style बन जाते हैं. He's just fabulous, and I think thanks to them, the film is now on the map. People know about Fugly. They've welcomed us in the industry. So.
So they're basking in the glory of 2 superstars. मेरा तो सिंपल सा था, जब मुझे पता चला सलमान सर और अक्षय सर ने, तो मैं तो एक ही चीज बोल रहा था, I want to be next to him, I want to be next to. I've been like, Salman sir is huge for me, and so is Akshay sir, And I got to stand next to him. I was dumbfounded. मैं कुछ बात नहीं कर पाया. I'm very sip हो गई mouth की, and I was so happy that I'm in the same frame with him. You can't get luckier than that.
नहीं यार, सॉरी, लेकिन असली में ऐसा नहीं हुआ. The camera effects, I didn't. I just punched him on the side. But I think more than that, it's a message that goes. Girls today, we don't have to ignore these things. Every mother tells their daughter, anybody acts smart with you, kick them where it hurts the most. ये लड़की, she takes it a notch higher. She's gone and boxed him where it hurts the most. And बता देती है, दिल्ली की लड़की हो यार, धक्के और रगड़ के बीच का फर्क जानती हो.
Definitely, it adds a lot to the film. Okay, Akshay Kumar is associated. He's producing the film. He's done a song in the film. तो मेरे को लगता है उनकी जितनी fan following है, वो सब एक बार पिक्चर देखने आएंगे, कि उनको लगेगा कि if Akshay Kumar supporting the film, तो चलो देख के आते हैं, कुछ होगा. So that will help the
also, that the makers of Oh My God are coming out with another film. That film, how high it was on quality and content, and I think you're gonna get nothing less from Fugly. It's only gonna go higher from there.
अगर पिक्चर अच्छी बनती है और लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट करी, तो फिगर भी आ जाएगा, उसमें क्या है. बट एज ऑफ नाउ वी नो वी मेड अ गुड फिल्म, एंड वी आर एनलाइटिंग पीपल. हम उसमें एक मैसेज भी दे रहे हैं. वी गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ फन इन गेम्स, कॉमेडी अच्छे, you know, the treatment of the film is very light, and then there are a lot of twists and turns in the film. It's got that thriller, you know, the genre also in the film. So
I think what we
सोच रहा है, we are not thinking numbers.
What we should be,
पर चलनी चाहिए, obviously it should.
No, what we should be really looking forward to is relatability. अगर हम चारों में आपको अपना कोई दोस्त या अपने आप को आप देख पाए, and you can come, there's a repeat value, you can come and enjoy our journey. That's what we are looking for. 100 crore तो हो जाएगा.
Fugly is basically, we have given Fugly को हमने F star ugly करके that's how we branded the name, and Fugly for us is fight the ugly.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.